Hey y'all, it's your girl. Just is like OMG. And you know what? First off, I have to apologize to y'all because it's been weeks. And it's been weeks because I had a whole bunch of crazy stuff going on my job, and I always try to record on an off day. So I haven't had an off day, like realistically, where I could like sit back and record a video for almost 2 or 3 weeks now. So now that I have some free time, I had the past 2 days off, I decided to finally refilm my unboxing video for a couple of things that I bought online and in store. I bought a Brandon Blackwell bag, and I'm not going to do the unboxing for that one. I'm going to film another one, but I have another unboxing I want to do for a couple Gucci products that I bought, and I wanted to unveil them. So I'm going to run and get them real quick because I didn't put them next to you before I started recording. Then we're going to go from there. Okay, and we're back. Okay. So I bought two things from Gucci. They're really, really cute to me. But I just wanted to show you guys, I bought a bag and I bought a pair of summer sandals because I wanted something cute and funky and kind of an ode to the 90s, as well as something that was also like hip and contemporary from Gucci, but also timeless. So we're gonna open up the shoes first. Okay, hold on y'all, okay. Okay, so it comes in this box. The Gucci box here came in a green Gucci bag. This is the old boxes. These are the white and black boxes. They don't really use these anymore because it's old packaging. But hold on, and I'll tell you how much I paid for them and if they're still available and other colorways you can get. So I got these cute little jelly sandals. They've been out for a while, but I had my eye on them. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna make the commitment. And then I finally bought them. They were $360. They come in multiple colors. When I bought, there was the new transparent versions of these out, but initially when they came out, there was these pastel colors: blue, pink, yellow, a mint green, no lavender. They slept on that. They should have did the lavender. Black and then a white. Now there is a transparent, oh no, I'm sorry, there's more colors too. Red and green, and the new transparent colors that came out were red, clear, and blue. Those were, the blue transparent was really cute, but I was like, no, I'm gonna do classic baby blue because you know that's always timeless. And I kind of like baby blue a lot. It's a cute color to just throw on. Even though it's like boyish, it's still girly too. So I thought that was real cute. But also, oh y'all, I've been looking at this bag since this boy came out. Okay, hold on. Let me show y'all the bag. Hold on. Comes in another green bag. Comes in a green box. Y'all, I have not opened this up to do this video since I bought the bag. And boy, okay. So this is how it opens up with the tissue paper with the Gucci little sticker. I'm gonna open this delicately because I like to keep my plastic and stuff. Lord. Okay. So it comes in this Gucci dust bag. It says Gucci on the front. Ooh. Okay. And this is the bag. This is my first white handbag. Look at this bag. Oh. No, but it is so cute. It has the Gucci Supreme canvas and white trim. I got this for the summertime, okay? Coming crazy, okay? Let's open it up. I like it has the gold, because gold, you know, is timeless. Comes with a white little strap with the gold. Comes with a little bit of stuffing on the inside. Has a little open pocket there. Show you the inside. It's real cute. See the inside, a little canvas inside as well. This bag is so freaking cute. For this one, I paid $19.80. Cute little small one. It comes in other colors. It comes with a brown trim. It comes with a red trim. You can get those at flagships. I saw that when I went to Las Vegas and not Chicago. I went to Las Vegas, Nevada. Come on now. So I went to Las Vegas and I saw they had a red trim one, but I was like, no, I want the white one. Not white boy. I wanted the white one. So I'm gonna put my little baby back in her little dust bag. Put her right on a little shelf with the rest of her friends. I don't have no talking Birkin bags like Sweetie, but I do have a couple Louis and Gucci or Gucci's that are friends. Okay, maybe a little Chanel. So you know what I'm saying. Sneak right in here. But y'all, thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to be more consistent. I definitely will be more consistent. I want to unveil my Brandon Backwell bag. I want to talk about this cool opportunity I got with Parsons for their streetwear learning program, their online course. It is so informative and so cool. I would love to talk to you guys about that. So I got a lot of things. I got a lot of things stacked away for us to talk about in the upcoming weeks. So it was good to talk to you guys. Stay stylish.